Every journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single turn of the ignition. But have you ever stopped to think about how the choices you make behind the wheel could reflect your faith and values? Road safety is more than a set of rules. It's an opportunity to live out your beliefs and serve as a light to others on the street. Before we continue, please like, subscribe, and comment. If you believe safety and faith go together, the first and simplest act is buckling up. Wearing your seatbelt isn't just smart. It's an act of honoring the life God has given you. When you secure your safety, you do more than protect yourself. You demonstrate gratitude for every breath and every mile, knowing that your safety can influence the lives of others as well.
Staying focused is the next powerful choice. In a world of constant distractions, the road calls for your undivided attention. Remember, your phone can wait, but your life cannot. Keeping your eyes forward, both physically and spiritually, is an act of faithful stewardship over all that's entrusted to you.
Speed may thrill, but obedience saves lives. Following the speed limit is a sign of respect for authority, reflecting the humility and discipline that faith teaches. Remember, rules aren't restrictions, they're protections. Even Jesus taught the value of honoring those in authority for the greater good. Maintenance is another side of stewardship. Regular checks of your vehicle are more than precautions. They're demonstrations of wisdom and care. Taking time to prepare honors God through responsible action and ensures that your journey is as safe as your destination is meaningful. Lastly, let every encounter on the road be marked by kindness. Giving way isn't weakness, it's a witness. Each courteous act, every moment of patience, reinforces the message that love and grace belong in every part of life, even traffic. Your car is more than transport. It's your ministry on wheels. With every decision and every mile, let self-control and faithfulness guide you. And may your conduct behind the wheel shine as brightly as your spirit within.